Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make fractals. And if you don't know what a fractal is, look it up online. Okay. um, yeah. So, let's just draw a circle. Um, let's just draw a circle on the screen. Like 800 pixels, maybe? Uh, yeah, 800 is the height. And just to make this look better, I'm gonna say stroke 255. No, fill. And there's a circle. But what about I make that a function? And this is eventually gonna be a fractal, so I'm just gonna call it fractal. And it's gonna take an x, a y, and a diameter. And then it's gonna go at the x, the y, and the diameter, and then I'm gonna say fractal. And nothing changed. But now, what about I say fractal at x plus something y d? And okay, if I just inspect the page, there's an error because it's been going in. It just went insane because of all of the times that it needed to run, so it just gave up. So let's only do this if x is less than width. Then I can draw a circle, and wow, that's trippy. Kinda. Doesn't look trippy anymore. What about I make the diameter smaller and I go by half of the diameter and nope. Okay. So let's actually not only draw it to the right, but to the left. Now, Willa. Oh, that's why. um. Oh, I see. As long as the diameter is greater than like 2. Whoa. Now that's pretty insane. So like if I make this like 400, and now what about I go down? So or up, I guess. And wait, what? Did I get the wait, what? Oh, I said 40. Oop. Now this is a really common fractal that's sideways, made of circles, just called the Sierpinski triangle, but it's not perfect because it's made out of triangles. But I mean, It's pretty good, and like if I get rid of this, and now it's not sideways, and yeah, that's how you make a fractal in p5.js.